In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds for Facebook ads using Gcash. If you're looking to boost your online presence and reach a broader audience on Facebook, managing your ad expenditures efficiently is key. So let's walk through the steps to get you all set up. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook Ads Manager. This platform is your central hub for managing your ad campaigns, and it's an essential tool for anyone serious about advertising on Facebook. Once you've made your way there, look for the button that says Go to Ads Manager and click on it. This action will take you directly into the ads dashboard where all your campaigns are listed. Now, you'll be prompted to log in, so go ahead and enter your email and password. If you're already logged into Facebook, this step might be quick and seamless, but if not, type in those credentials, and once done, click on Log In. This will authenticate your session and give you access to the Ad Manager's suite of tools. After logging in, you will arrive at the campaigns dashboard. This section provides a comprehensive view of all your active and passive campaigns. Your task now is to navigate towards the billing management section. So look for the billing and payments link and give it a click. This option is usually located in the settings or tools menu at the top of your screen. Within the billing and payments section, find and click on payment settings. This is where you configure various payment methods that can be used to fund your campaigns. Once you're in the payment settings, look for an option that says Add Payment Method and select it. Here you'll see a variety of options through which you can fund your ad account. For this tutorial, we are focusing on Gcash, so select Gcash from the list of available payment methods. It's a convenient and widely used digital wallet in the Philippines, which makes it a perfect choice for local advertisers. With Gcash selected, proceed by clicking Next. You'll need to decide the amount of funds you wish to add to your account, so think about your advertising budget and enter the appropriate sum. Once entered, hit Next to continue. To complete the setup, you'll need to open the Gcash app on your mobile device. Click on Open Gcash, and follow any additional instructions you see. This typically involves scanning a QR code directly in your Gcash app to authorize the transaction. Once scanned, your account will be funded and you can start running your ads. And there you have it, you're all set to manage your Facebook ad campaigns with the convenience of Gcash. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy advertising!